When we are talking about refraction, there are so many examples in our daily life which are observed and we experience it. The first example I want to give you, a coin is kept at the bottom of a bucket filled water. You will find it is appearing as if it is very much high up. That means its apparent depth is very much less than the actual depth. In the same way, in a pond, we will find that fishes are very much close to the surface. But as soon as we are going to catch it, we are unable to catch and the fishes run away because the place where we put our hands to catch them is something away. Its actual position is something far from its apparent position. That's why we are unable to catch the fish in the pond. In the same way, you will find another example. A stick is obliquely kept in a bucket full of water. It appears bent. In the same way, another example of twinkling of stars. So these are the examples which are of refraction. And refraction gives us a law that when ray is passing from rarer medium to denser medium, in that case we find that the ray, that means the refracted ray, bends towards the normal, that is at the point of incidence. But when it is moving from denser to rarer medium, the refracted ray bends away from the normal. And that's why the angle of refraction is not equals to angle of incidence at the point of incidence. There is a normal and that normal is a perpendicular. At that perpendicular only the incident angle makes an angle with the normal, that is angle of incidence. And similarly, angle of refraction is also made at the point of incidence and they are never equal. But you have to keep in mind from rarer to denser when it is passing, the angle of incidence is greater than the angle of refraction. On the contrary, when ray is passing from denser to rarer medium, then angle of incidence in the denser medium is smaller, whereas the angle of refraction in the rarer medium is greater. So, from this, we understand that refraction is a very common thing in our daily life which we find around us. Okay, thank you. Please subscribe and share the video.